Is your Audi Q7 struggling to link with Apple CarPlay, or are you seeing intermittent dropouts during your drive? Statistically, the vast majority of these glitches are software-based and can be fixed without a trip to the dealership. Let us walk through the standard diagnostic procedure to get your system back online. Always start by verifying your cable integrity and clearing out old device pairings from the MMI memory. Sometimes the issue lives in your iPhone settings, specifically with Siri permissions or screen time restrictions. If the phone is fine, force a hard restart of the Audi MMI system by holding down the volume button. Most users find success with these simple steps, but hardware damage to the USB port requires professional intervention. As seen here, faulty cables account for nearly half of all reported connection issues in Audi vehicles. If you're still having trouble, inspect the physical USB port for bent pins or debris using a light. Keep a quality cable and some compressed air in your glove box to handle these issues on the go. Always test with a second known good iPhone before assuming your car is the one with the problem. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more troubleshooting tips for your Audi Q7.